This is the Plow 2.0. This is a premium, and I think that's important, a premium safety razor. What makes it premium? Okay, a couple things make it premium. Obviously, the sharpness of the blade, key important. The design so that you're not shaving below the level of the pores, which kind of makes the scratches and the irritation that comes from that. And then from my perspective, this comes in this cool gunmetal gray. I mean, gunmetal gray is awesome with anything, but this is a really attractive piece with a nice heavy handle. It feels good in your hand, a good size, but there's a big but here. Look at this mess. I've grown it out for a little while to make a mess so that I could test this, come back and let you know what the beautiful Miss Nikki thinks of the quality and what I think of the actual use of it. So let me go use it and then we'll come back and I'll give you an overall review of its effectiveness. Okay, I've switched to the outdoor studio because I was working on some other stuff, but I wanted to tell you that I have been plowing the fields down there for 2.0 style for a couple weeks now, and I have to say, it is pretty enjoyable. It's not really, it's work. We all know it's work, but it has been comfortable, no razor stubble, worked well. I'm telling you, the feel of this razor is really nice. Overall, it's absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a great razor, this is a good option.